Uh, Good afternoon. Today is Saturday, the 21st of January. I've been working my butt off on a project and I'm just finally trying to get things done. But I thought I'd give you a little bit of a view of what my shop looks like. Show you behind me what a bloody mess we have. So it's kind of incredible what a mess it is. So just a quick explanation of what I've been up to. I am building a dump trailer and I'm recycling the sides of some manufactured home trailer tongues and also some other pieces I got from another frame. So what you can see right there is one side, and I just had a heck of a time standing it up in the edge. It will be 10 feet long, 6 feet wide, and the side walls are made out of steel. Will be roughly just under 2 feet. I want to say 23 and 7/8 or 23 and 3/4, something like that. Here is the other side piece. I've got two of them welded together, and I'm just putting a brace down here on the back. I've got my two tailgates. They're built here. Ready and waiting. I got a manufacturer figure out some hinges. And then over here on this side, this is the bed of the trailer you see right there. But boy, what a mess. Just quick shop tour if anybody's interested in that. That's a donkey saw that I've got. It's pretty much kind of a piece of crap in my opinion. But I've gotten my money's worth out of it for sure. Here's a couple of welders I have. I'm probably going to try and get rid of or sell this Lincoln. Mediocre. It was good. Very impressed. It's a titanium out of Harbor Freight, 170. Got a lot of features. You look at Mike Festiva's channel on YouTube. He's got a really great review of that. Over here, real quick, so that's a plasma cutter. I think the brand name's Prime Weld. Pretty impressed with it. This gauge is the only thing that's broke. It says it gives you the wrong reading. This is another welder right here. This one. I think it too is a Prime Weld. I've got it set up for aluminum wire feed. This is a Alpha TIG welder. Happy with it, pretty good. This is my welding bench I built and put together. You can see, typical guy that just is working a full-time job and trying to get things done. Any flat surface collects crap, and my wife, bless her heart, she's helped me multiple times to get it organized and cleaned up. Here is truly my pride and joy. I built this. Got motivated by a good friend of mine, Mark Brown. Mark Makes over on Rumble. He does phenomenal work, by the way. But I thoroughly love this tool. Got a big 5 horsepower DC motor I ripped out of a treadmill, and then variable speed. I picked that up for the motor. This is a recent upgrade to my drill press. I love it. Put that on there. Harbor Freight clutch, pipe bender over there, and then another little bender over there. This is my heat source here. I'm certain that it's probably installed illegal or built illegal. Whatever. Welcome to the new America. So my bench here, I've got these receiver tubes on 3 sides, and then I built a 48-inch brake that works pretty good. It's not real heavy duty, but it works pretty good. Another receiver tube right there for my vise. You can see I've got a ton of material laying on the floor. Not quite literally a ton, but some more material for dump trailer and other pieces. Another receiver tube there. That used to be scaffolding. Just like that scaffolding. I used it to build this building. Now it's been turned into a rolling cart. This got given to me. It's an old Stanley Vidmar bin. Really like it. It's really good. And then a couple of tool chests and this workbench too. Another flat surface. Typical wall of stuff there. But anyway, and then under here, I'm not going to take the cover off of it right now, but it is a 13 by 37 lathe. But that's what I'm up to. I'll take another video here when I get to the point of assembling this, which hopefully will be soon. I think I have all the pieces I need now. I already have axles laying out there, but I thought I'd give you all a quick shop tour. So with that quick shop tour, that's what I've got. This is, as my wife likes to say, Blaine's brain, all jumbled up and pretty much a big mess that I need to get cleaned up. But the problem is, when you're working a full-time job, you're not really good at time management or cleaning up. You get off work and then start working, and you work until you're either exhausted, run out of daylight, or get asked to do something else. That's the way I operate anyway. And then I usually take a shower, go to bed, or take a shower and go do something else. Today we've got some plans as well with our boys, but yeah, that's kind of how life rolls. I'm looking forward to being retired from this other job and that I've got, and start working for myself. Oh boy, do I have something on my nose? Probably. Well, welding, grinding, what do you expect? And then I'll be able to keep a clean shop. Yeah, the sign here, welcome to Blaine County. Woo, right there. Yeah, if you invert that, you'll be able to read that, but welcome to entering Blaine County. There is a county here in the state I live in named Blaine County, and that is my first name. No, I didn't steal the sign. I actually had it manufactured because I really was tempted to steal the sign, so I thought, well, I better go buy one before I do something stupid and steal it. So anyway, you all have a great day, and I hope that everybody stays safe out there from the stupidity that is going on in our country, especially from lots of different things. May the enemies of the United States and the enemies of the Constitution fail. May God bless each and every one of us and our country.